Hey, this is Steve Kornbluth from Safebridge Mortgages, and today I wanted to talk a little bit more about what is debt equity and how can you use it. So like in a previous video, I mentioned with equity, it's been sitting in your house probably for years and you don't even realize it's there. It's there for you to use, it's there for you to grow your wealth, it's there for you to improve your property. So one of the ways we did this recently is we had someone come to us and they were looking to borrow $100,000 to finance some home renovations. They didn't have the home money into a savings account. They didn't want to dip into their investments to withdraw the funds to do the renovations. They were making a great rate of return on their investments, so it doesn't make any sense at all to withdraw your investments at a much higher rate of return to get rather than refinancing your mortgage at a much lower interest rate than you're getting on your investments. It made sense to do this as a refinance. So what we ended up doing is we simply paid out their current first mortgage, we paid the penalty, and then we increased their first mortgage by another $100,000. So what that did is after the mortgage closed, the lawyer transferred them approximately $100,000 directly into their bank account. And now they can do the home renovations. They were looking to improve their kitchen, their bathrooms, new flooring, new windows. And what does all this do to the value of your property? In this market, it increases it dramatically. So this made sense. So this is one of the things you can do with the equity in your property. Don't let it just sit there not doing anything for you. Let it build your wealth. Again, if anyone has any questions about that, I'm more than happy to chat. Give me a call, 416-659-7128. Subscribe to the channel. And send me a message, shoot me a note, anything you want to ask me. I'm all ears. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.